Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having a high impact news at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because the price can be really volatile and the spread can be too high. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart and nothing much has changed into the monthly. We are still sweeping the high of the previous failed swing and we don't have a clear bias till now. So let's move to the weeklies. Moving to the weeklies, what we can see is that the price had responded from this FVG and moved into the further upside direction. And currently, we have come back to mitigate this order block. So let's move to the dailies to see if we are going to hold it or not. So into the dailies, we can see that we were having one FVG, FVG which was in confluence with this order flow, and the price moved into the upside direction. And currently, we are having a volume imbalance zone right above the previous previous day open. So I'm anticipating that we can possibly go up to mitigate this volume imbalance. Let's check other charts too if we have the volume imbalance there or not. So let's check the FXCM. So yeah, even here we are having a volume imbalance. So let's move to the forex.com now. Yeah. So now that we can see that we are having a volume imbalance, I'm anticipating that the price can possibly go up towards this volume imbalance. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have within this candle range. So into the 4 hour, we can see that the price sprung into the upside direction and we don't actually know that where it did from. So let's move to the 1H to see what do we have in here. So into the 1 hour, we have this BPR and the price respected this BPR, respecting this order block, and moved into the further upside direction. Though we were having strong lows right there, the price disrespected it and came to mitigate this FVG and currently moving into the upside direction. So let's move to the 30 minutes to see what do we have in here. So into the 30 minutes too, we were having a BPR and the price moved into the further upside direction. And if we are going to get a close above it into the 30 minutes, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the upside direction towards the higher time frame the volume imbalance. The higher time frame volume imbalance. So I'm anticipating that we can possibly move into the further upside direction towards the volume imbalance the price has made, and we can possibly go up, come back to the Asia 50%, and maybe inside Asia only, and then we are going to go into the upside direction to mitigate the volume imbalance zone. And if we don't get a close above this structure and fail to hold the Asia low, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction, disrespecting all of these lows and moving into the further lower direction. So let's move back to the 15 minutes to define the bias. So the last thing I want to say is that our bias is that we can possibly come back to the Asia session, inside the Asia session into the London session, and then we are going to towards this volume imbalance zone. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.